Meaning of dissatisfaction.
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 Dissatisfaction. Dissatisfaction is a feeling of disappointment or displeasure with a situation, person, or thing. It can result from unfulfilled expectations, unmet needs, or a lack of desired outcomes. When individuals experience dissatisfaction, they may feel a range of negative emotions such as frustration, anger, sadness, or resentment. This can lead to decreased motivation, poor performance, and strained relationships. Addressing dissatisfaction often requires identifying the root cause of the issue and taking proactive steps to address it, such as communicating openly and setting realistic expectations.